totally scared of my own hair. I can already see, like,
Yeah,
that's my job. There.
Which is fine.
Congratulations to me.
That's all right.
You kind of made it look cute. I don't know. But you see, I feel like I'll go home and then do it, and I'll be like, no.
Yeah, well, you mean when we style it, or
Well,
right
even
now?
what you did right now, it's just like, I'm like, oh, well, hello.
Well, yeah, a lot of people are really scared of their own hair.
I'm totally scared of my own hair.
And lots of people are, and as soon as I shake it out like that, that's what they say. They're like, oh, you have this like superpower that you just haven't been using. And
I like that.
Well, you were kind of saying that size kind of scares you a little bit, but then as soon as you see yourself kind of loosened up a little bit, you're like, oh, there I am.
Here's what I want. I want to be open to having it like wild and sexy like this sometimes, but also have an alternative where on a day where I'm like, all right, let me just
I don't
feel a
want
little
all the
low
attention.
key. Yeah,
and
that's true
and
because
that's
this
fact.
hair.
No, 100%. And that's the thing too. When I have like a lot of like babies come to me, they're like 13, 14 years old. The last thing they want is the attention for their hair.
I want all that you think's not healthy off.
As far as like mellowing it out, that's all in the styling. You can make this as quiet as a mouse with styling.
I think as long as I have options, but also when I want to do this, it's easy to get to this.
Yeah, I mean, this is no product in your hair. I mean, so just don't overthink it. We're going to show you some stuff, but again, don't overthink it. Don't think that, oh, I have to do this every single time. Hell no. But yeah, let me just get some connectivity in the cut. I'm not necessarily like, I want to take you shorter, but I will have to knock some things a bit to kind of like even some things out.
I want all that you think's not healthy off. I'm down for, you know.
I can't tell you that you have anything unhealthy, that your routine that you've been doing, it's more everything that you have not been doing that is why your hair is in a great place. I don't need to take you shorter. I need to take you shorter to even this up.
Yeah, that's cool.
I need to take some things shorter so I can like soften this and then blend it into the rest of it, stuff like that. I'm okay at that. So I think that's going to be pretty the easy
but let me
part.
just show you these pictures of my hair I liked.
Yeah.
I liked my hair like that.
Where would you be mad at me?
I liked my hair like that.
Longer here, actually.
And then here, calmer. That's the calmer version that I like.
There's styling products in this hair.
Yes.
This hair would do that right now. It's just a little bit more connectivity through here and through here. Somewhere along the lines, you got disconnected in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just start playing with it. I'm not aiming for some massive change on you.
Okay.
Unless you're looking for a massive change.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Cool. Where would you be mad at me?
I don't know.
If anywhere. Knowing that I'm not trying to take you short. I want to stay away from anything that you'd be like, this asshole.
I don't really want it to get to my chin.
Got it.
That would be a little much.
We're pretty close to that already here.
Yeah, so that side is like, I don't know if you need to take a little, but not too much.
Okay, but if we can kind of keep this general length, that would be good.
Yeah.
You got it.